Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to buy penny stocks on Fidelity. First, it's crucial to understand that penny stocks are highly speculative and carry significant risk, often trading for less than $5 per share. Fidelity provides various research tools to help you analyze these volatile investments. Before you can trade, you'll need to ensure your Fidelity account is properly set up and enabled for over-the-counter, or OTC, securities. This initial step is vital for accessing the broader market of lower-priced shares. To begin, confirm your Fidelity account is approved for trading over-the-counter stocks, which often include penny stocks. You might need to accept specific disclosures regarding the risks involved. Next, leverage Fidelity's robust screening tools to filter for stocks trading below $5 per share or even under $1. Always conduct extensive due diligence, examining the company's financial health, recent news, and average daily trading volume to assess liquidity and potential volatility. Once you've identified a penny stock, navigate to the trade ticket within your Fidelity account. Carefully enter the correct stock symbol and the exact number of shares you wish to purchase. For penny stocks, it is highly recommended to use a limit order instead of a market order. A limit order allows you to specify the maximum price you are willing to pay per share, protecting you from unexpected price fluctuations in these often illiquid securities. This helps manage your entry point. After purchasing, it's essential to continuously monitor your penny stock investments. These stocks can experience rapid price movements, so stay informed about company news and market trends. Consider setting stop-loss orders to automatically sell your shares if they drop to a predetermined price, helping to protect your capital. Remember, penny stocks are highly speculative, so never invest more than you can afford to lose, and always aim for a diversified investment portfolio.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.